Hi, welcome to Backstage Pass. My name is Kim and this is Elle, and we are coming at you from one of the newly renovated spaces that got renovated along with our ballroom. This is our conference room, and we were just talking it's comfortably seated, probably 15 right now. I think there's probably 12 or 15 chairs, but we've had groups in here that probably up to 25 or 30 that you can comfortably fit. It's super cool. You access the TV, you can access the really cool whiteboard and stuff, and so there's lots of great reasons to book this space. And so if you're interested in booking this space, you can get a hold of the theater at their 844 show number, and they can help you out. So we got, speaking of theater, we have good things happening. It's March.
Yeah.
So it's crazy. February's gone and it's March.
I know, and still trying to figure that out.
Yeah, right?
Where's the time going?
Yeah.
But yeah, we have technically 5 awesome shows happening this month. We have a school performance of B-Twins happening. So if you want to reach out to your teacher, or if you are a teacher or know someone in the school district, let them know that we do have part of our Discovery series with B-Twins coming up. That's going to be a morning show, I believe at 10 a.m. if I'm not mistaken. 10 a.m. March 9th. So that's open to homeschool families or just school groups. So contact Grace at dlccc.org to get some pricing information on that group pricing. And then we have an evening performance with the B-Twins at 7:30 on March 9th. They're violin and ukulele playing twin brothers from Brazil. They're covering a bunch of genres from rock to dance party, hip hop.
Cool.
They're basically covering the top 40 over the past 40, so all the great songs over the past 40 years. It's going to be so fun. They're literally, they have such great energy. They just played in St. Paul. Now they're in California. They're all over the U.S. basically. And tickets are only $15 for adults, $7.50 for students. So make sure you come out for B-Twins. That'll be this Thursday. And then for St. Patrick's Day, we have a lot going on.
Yeah.
2 shows that day. We have a matinee at 2 p.m. with Engage. That's going to be really fun because we're doing an Irish-themed lunch of shepherd's pie and a bunch of other sides.
Fun.
And that's a great fundraiser for Engage. So it's a great way to support our senior community with the DLCCC. So that's at 2 p.m. The lunch is from 12 to 1:30. You can come anytime between then, just before the show.
Yeah. And
it's $25 for a lunch and a show. It's a great price. You're basically getting the student pricing plus a little less. Otherwise, you can buy tickets for $18 or $9 for the matinee. And then there's an evening performance if that doesn't work for your schedule at 7:30.
Cool.
That's going to be a really great performance with Michael Monroe again, but he's going to be with the trio. That's an Emmy Award-winning acoustic troubadour, and he's going to be performing folk legend acoustic favorites by James Taylor, Cat Stevens, Bob Dylan, and more. So that's $25 for adults, $12.50 for students. Coming out for that. And at the very end of the month, we have Copper Street Brass. The 31st, we're covering the 70s, from the 1770s, 1870s, and 1970s. You'll think of the 70s a whole new way. $15 for adults, $7.50 for students, March 31st at 7:30.
Awesome. So on the fitness and aquatic side, I want to make sure we get time. We have lots of things happening. We're kind of finishing up with our winter activities, but we are thinking spring. So we have baseball activities happening. We have a couple indoor clinics for young kids, and then we have our HIT Club is back. So if you're looking at interested in those kinds of things for your kids, it's for girls and boys. So those are available on our website to get registered for that. And then, like I said, that's kind of some indoor baseball things. And then, depending on when you're watching this, if you're watching this kind of towards midweek for sure, all of our summer programs will be up on our website that you'll be able to register for. So that will include all of our spring and summer swim lessons. Those schedules are going to be out. Our Little League, our softball, all of those great things, our tennis lessons, all that information will be out, and you can go ahead and register for those. And then also I want to talk about Summer Day Camp real quick. We just have Summer Day Camp is going on. If you're looking at getting signed up or something for your kids to do, we have a great Summer Day Camp program. And the cool thing about our program is that you pay for the days that you're there. You're not paying for the whole week or the whole summer. So if you come 5 days a week or if you come 1 day a week, you're paying for that just those times. So for all that information and more, you can check out our website at www.dlccc.org. Thanks so much for joining us today on Backstage Pass, and we'll see you again next week.